Hi, I'm Dr. Christine Sauer, founder of Rebuild Your Ultimate Health. 5 tips to reduce your risk for type 2 diabetes. First, avoid sugary food, regular bread and processed foods as much as possible. Second, learn to prepare meals from scratch and have fun in the kitchen. Third, eat as many vegetables and salads as you want, as long as you prepare them yourself. Fourth, enjoy your meal. Taste what you're eating and chew your food well. Fifth, here's my rule. If you chew a food 10 times and it tastes like cardboard, avoid eating it. Real food keeps its taste or gets better the more you chew it. Now let me know what you think in the comments below. See you next time.